Congratulations on purchasing Bella Botanicals Soothing Organic Hemp Salve. This product is all natural and all organic and works so well to help fight pain topically. This product contains an all-natural blend of butters, oils, waxes, hemp extract, and menthol. So this product you will apply to any area that you're experiencing pain. If you have joint pain or muscle pain, if you have a migraine headache, you can rub a little on your temples and the base of your neck. If you get a sunburn, this is really gonna help minimize the pain, but it'll also lock moisture into the skin and really help your skin to recover from that sunburn. If you get any bug bites or bee stings, this is such a great product to use. The menthol is gonna really cool and calm the nerve endings, and the hemp extract is really gonna work to lower the puffiness and redness and irritation that's present from something like a bug bite or a bee sting. So this product you can use as much as you want. Use it morning, use it night. Really, a little goes a long way. I know a lot of people look at the size and think, wow, like I'm gonna use that up in no time. But in all reality, all you need is a little tiny bit to feel the results.